In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process an expense or vendor credit refund, a task that's essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your accounts remain in perfect balance. Understanding how to effectively manage these transactions can provide clarity and prevent any potential misunderstandings down the line. So let's dive in and walk through this process together step by step. First, you'll want to begin by accessing the correct menu. Open your accounting software and navigate to the dashboard. Once you're there, look for the plus or add icon, typically labeled as plus new. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of options to choose from. Here, you're going to select either expense or vendor credit. This selection will guide the software on how to categorize the refund coming into your accounts, ensuring that it reflects accurately in your financial statements. After you've picked expense or vendor credit, the next crucial step is to select the appropriate refund category. This ensures that your refund is accurately reflected and all the necessary accounts are adjusted accordingly. Take a moment to consider what kind of refund you're processing. Is it for a return product or service, or is there another reason for the credit? Selecting the right category here is essential as it dictates how the transaction will appear on your financial reports. Typically, you can find a drop-down menu or a search bar where you can begin typing in your category, making it simple and straightforward to find the right match. Once the correct category has been chosen, it's time to proceed with saving the transaction. This might seem like a simple step, but saving the information ensures that your data is recorded and can be revisited anytime you need. Make sure all the details you've entered are correct and complete before clicking the Save button. You wouldn't want to discover an error later on when reconciling your finances, which could lead to more work down the line. To wrap things up, always double-check your entries once you've saved your work. Verify that everything from the vendor's name to the amounts and categories is displayed as expected. This final step of reviewing your work can help prevent future headaches by catching any mistakes early. There you have it, a straightforward way to process an expense or vendor credit refund. By following these steps, you can ensure your books are accurate and your records are meticulously maintained, setting you up for smooth and seamless financial management. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your finances with efficiency and ease.